Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the 2023 newest digital HDTV antenna for smart TV. If you're tired of paying for cable and want to enjoy free full HD TV channels, including local news, weather, sports programs, kids shows and sitcoms, then this antenna is a must-have for you. The digital TV antenna for smart TV features a strong magnetic base and 360 reception, allowing you to receive crystal clear HD picture, no matter where it's installed in your home. The magnetic base makes for quick and easy installation. Just attach it to any metal surface and get your TV signals in minutes. With easy installation and stability, this antenna can be used indoors or outdoors, making it perfect for moving vehicles as well. It's designed to support 4K 1080p and doesn't take up a lot of space, so you can easily hide it out of sight. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to cable and start enjoying free HD channels, then be sure to check out the digital TV antenna for smart TV. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.